Hello, and in today's 5-Minute Friday we're going to talk about clutter-free editing. Some of the missions that I build for clients can get pretty complex, and if you want to keep things simple and maximize battery usage, that often means keeping everything in a single mission. That works great for running, but the large missions can be pretty confusing when you're creating them, as the screens can become super busy. So I'm going to go over a couple of tools that can help you achieve clutter-free editing, and those are Map Visibility and Map Layers. Map Layers is the one that people are most aware of, since that button's clearly visible. It's this button up here. If you want to limit the types of things that are displayed on the screen, you click on the Map Layers button, and then you can just turn things on and off. So if you wanted, for example, to hide the center pins and the destination pins, you can just click them on and off like that. It's pretty instant, it shows straight away. You can also say all off and then just pick the things that you actually want to see, let's say the flight path, or you can say all on and then unselect. So that one I think most people are probably aware of, and that's great for cleaning things up. But what if you're working on just one component, or you want to focus on just one component? So this is where Map Visibility comes in. Map Visibility is a little harder to find as it's contained within the component itself. So let me show you how to get to that. Let's say we only wanted to look at this one path, the one that goes around the outside of this site. So you click on the path, and then you click on the three dots, and you select Map Visibility. And you're going to see that you end up with three options: toggle visibility, show only this, and show all. Toggle visibility will turn this particular one on and off. Or the one that I generally want is show only this. So if I'm looking at this one and I say show only this, it hides everything else except the one path that I'm looking at. So that's exactly what I wanted. When you select that, everything else disappears, and now you can focus on correcting just this one path, so we can do whatever we need to here, add a little piece in the middle, so on. And once you're done with those changes, turning it back on is exactly the same. You just pick basically any of the components, click on the three dots, click Map Visibility, and then just say show all, and now everything's back. So that's it. That makes life a lot cleaner, makes editing a lot simpler, avoids a lot of problems of clicking on things and accidentally clicking on the wrong path or the wrong approach. And I find this to be something that I didn't actually know existed for a long time, and very, very useful. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, feel free to leave a comment, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.